If you're buying an SUV in 2025, you're not just shopping for features. You're making a long-term bet on reliability, because a beautiful touchscreen won't matter if your engine fails at 60,000 miles. That's why today, we're counting down the 14 most reliable SUVs of 2025, based on real-world performance, mechanic reports, and owner satisfaction. These aren't flashy, they're not overhyped, but they just keep going. And in a world of rising repair costs, that's what matters. Number 14. Mazda CX-50. It's the newer sibling to the beloved CX-5, and it's built on the same rock-solid platform. Mazda might not get the hype of Toyota or Honda, but ask any mechanic, these engines are tough. The CX-50 offers all-wheel drive standard, a well-built interior, and sharp handling that feels more like a sports car than a family hauler. But here's what makes it shine. Simplicity. No overcomplicated tech, no fragile hybrid systems, just proven engineering done right. For buyers who want a reliable crossover that still feels fun to drive, the CX-50 is quietly climbing the ranks. Number 13. Toyota Venza. You don't hear much about it, and that's kind of the point. The Venza isn't flashy, it's focused. Every Venza is hybrid only, and it uses the same bulletproof powertrain found in the RAV4 Hybrid. That means over 40 miles per gallon, combined, low maintenance, and a track record of running strong well past 150,000 miles. Inside, it feels like a Lexus Light. Quiet, smooth, with premium touches in all the right places. And because it flies under the radar, prices stay reasonable on both new and used models. If you want upscale reliability without the luxury tax, the Venza is a smart pick. Number 12. Honda Pilot. The redesigned Pilot for 2025 brings a bolder look, but underneath, it's still classic Honda, and that's a good thing. The V6 engine is naturally aspirated, which means fewer moving parts and longer life. No turbo, no gimmicks, just straightforward power that's easy to service. The Pilot is one of the few mid-size SUVs that fits real adults in all 3 rows without feeling like a school bus. For families who need space but don't want the minivan label, the Pilot keeps it simple and dependable. And the best part? Honda's reputation means this SUV will still be running strong when others start falling apart. Number 11. Acura RDX. Built on a Honda foundation but dressed for the luxury crowd, the RDX offers a premium feel without sacrificing reliability. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is responsive but not overworked, and the 10-speed automatic has shown far fewer problems than its German rivals. But here's where it wins. Electronics. While some luxury brands overload their vehicles with glitchy tech, Acura keeps things tight and functional. That means fewer electrical gremlins, fewer warning lights, and fewer dealership visits. If you want luxury that doesn't come with luxury headaches, the RDX is a smart bet. Number 10. Kia Sportage Hybrid. 10 years ago, putting Kia and reliable in the same sentence would have raised eyebrows. But not anymore. The 2025 Sportage Hybrid is the proof. Kia has stepped up its game in build quality, engine durability, and drivetrain performance, and the hybrid version is one of their best yet. With over 40 miles per gallon, a quiet ride, and a 10-year powertrain warranty, the Sportage Hybrid gives you peace of mind without breaking the bank. Real-world drivers report minimal issues, and Consumer Reports ranks it near the top for owner satisfaction. It's not just a smart buy, it's a statement that Kia isn't cutting corners anymore. Number 9. Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. This one's been flying under the radar, but not for long. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid brings serious value to the table, and it's doing it with surprising durability. Unlike older Hyundai models that struggled with long-term issues, this generation has been reworked from the ground up. The hybrid system is co-developed with Kia and designed to avoid the complexity that kills reliability in other brands. What you get is a mid-size SUV that's roomy, efficient, and built with fewer failure points. Add in Hyundai's class-leading warranty, 10 years or 100,000 miles, and this SUV becomes one of the safest bets on the road today. If you want a fresh design without the fear of costly surprises, the Santa Fe Hybrid is worth every penny. Surprised yet? Don't blink. These next SUVs are the pinnacle of what it means to be worry-free. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and stay ahead of the breakdown. Number 8. Toyota Grand Highlander. Toyota took the already trusted Highlander and made it bigger, more comfortable, and somehow even more dependable. The Grand Highlander is built on Toyota's TNGA platform, the same one that's earned global praise for durability and safety. But what sets this SUV apart is the powertrain. Whether you choose the standard hybrid or the Hybrid Max, both setups are tuned for longevity, not just fuel economy. With 3 usable rows, real cargo space, and Toyota's legendary build quality, the Grand Highlander is built to handle road trips, carpools, and harsh winters without a complaint. Number 7. Subaru Forester. Subaru doesn't shout, it just delivers. The 2025 Forester sticks to the same formula that's made it a quiet favorite for years. Standard all-wheel drive, high safety ratings, and minimal drama under the hood. What you get is a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, a CVT that's been refined for better longevity, and the kind of practical interior that just works. Owners consistently report getting 200,000+ miles without major repairs. And while it may not win design awards, the Forester wins where it counts. Consistency. Number 6. Lexus RX. Now this is where comfort meets confidence. The 2025 RX keeps its place as one of the most reliable luxury SUVs on the market, and for good reason. Lexus has mastered the hybrid game, and their electric motors and battery systems are among the most robust in the industry. The RX isn't trying to dazzle you with gimmicks. It's focused on refinement, low maintenance, and incredible build quality. Whether you're picking the RX 350 or the RX 500h, you're getting a quiet cabin, buttery ride, and a long-term ownership experience that's second to none. Number 5. Honda CR-V Hybrid. This one hits the sweet spot, big enough for daily family use, small enough for easy city driving, and reliable enough to feel almost boring, in the best way. The hybrid version of the 2025 CR-V delivers over 40 miles per gallon, uses proven tech, and keeps things refreshingly simple. You won't find constant recalls or surprise system failures here. The CR-V is built to get in, get out, and get on with your day. Mechanics love it because it rarely needs anything more than oil and filters, and owners love it because it just works. Number 4. Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is America's best-selling SUV for a reason. Actually, a few reasons. First, it's practical. Second, it's efficient. And third, it's ridiculously reliable. The 2025 model sticks with what works: a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine in the gas model, or a well-vetted hybrid system that's been stress-tested in every climate. The RAV4 isn't trying to impress the car crowd. It's built for families, commuters, retirees, anyone who wants to forget about car trouble for a decade or more. If you're looking for that one SUV you could pass down to your grandkids, this is it. Number 3. Kia Telluride. This SUV has quietly become the gold standard for modern family haulers. The 2025 Telluride stays true to what built its reputation: a solid 3.8-liter V6 engine, minimal electronic overcomplication, and a design that puts longevity first. It doesn't chase trends, it just works. The cabin materials feel upscale without being fragile, and the drivetrain has been tested across hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal drama. It's not just reliable, it's confidence on wheels. For drivers who want comfort, durability, and zero surprises on long road trips, the Telluride stands tall near the top. Number 2. Toyota Land Cruiser. The legend is back, and it hasn't lost its edge. The 2025 Land Cruiser blends Toyota's bulletproof reliability with modern refinement, all while keeping the rugged DNA that made it famous worldwide. Under the hood, you're not dealing with a fragile experiment. You're looking at Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system, tuned for durability and torque, not gimmicks. This isn't just another SUV. It's a global workhorse trusted in deserts, mountains, and war zones alike. Inside, the Land Cruiser gives you everything you need: comfort, practicality, and tech that enhances without overwhelming. But here's the real win. Toyota engineered this SUV to thrive for decades, not just for the warranty period. It's the kind of vehicle you buy once and hand down to your kids, still running strong. For drivers who want a machine that's just as comfortable on the highway as it is crawling through mud and snow, the Land Cruiser is the closest thing to invincible in its class. But if the Land Cruiser is the warrior, then our number one pick is the Commander. Because as tough as Toyota's Legend is, there's one SUV that takes those bones, wraps them in luxury, and delivers a driving experience that feels both unstoppable and unforgettable. Number 1. Lexus GX. This isn't just reliable, it's indestructible. The 2025 Lexus GX brings back the body-on-frame SUV with modern luxury and insane durability. This thing is based on the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a vehicle known for surviving deserts, jungles, and everything in between. Lexus added refinement, sure, but they kept what matters: a proven platform, a powerful V6, and old-school engineering wrapped in new-school comfort. You can drive this SUV through blizzards, floods, or 300,000-mile odometer rolls, and it'll keep asking for more. If you want the SUV with the absolute lowest risk of failure, this is it. So what's the takeaway? Reliability isn't about features or ads. It's about long-term trust. These 14 SUVs weren't chosen because they're trendy. They made the list because they won't leave you stranded, overcharged, or disappointed. If you're tired of rolling the dice every time you turn the key, these are the SUVs that let you sleep easy. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more no-nonsense car insights. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep driving with confidence.